Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with VEGA for color grading exports, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with VEGA for your color grading exports, open the VEGA application on your device. Navigate to the login page by selecting the login option on the main screen. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address and password. For new users, click on the sign up option to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a strong password. After entering your details, confirm that you agree to the terms of service, and submit your information. Check your email for a verification link from VEGA. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Return to the VEGA application and log in using your email and password. Once logged in, locate the settings menu within the application. In the settings menu, find the authentication section. Here, you will see options for connecting your VEGA account to various platforms for export. Select the desired platform for authentication, such as Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Follow the prompts to link your VEGA account. This may involve entering an API key or connecting through a third-party account. Once authenticated, you will receive a confirmation message on screen. Now, navigate back to the main interface of the application. Prepare your project for color grading by importing your media files. Use the color grading tools available within VEGA to enhance your footage. After completing your color grading, proceed to the export settings. Select the export option and choose the desired file format. Make sure to check the settings for resolution and quality. Click on the Export button to start the rendering process. VEGA will use your authenticated account to save and manage your exports efficiently. Wait for the process to complete, and check your designated export folder for the final video. You have now authenticated with VEGA and completed your color grading exports successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.